a gym instructor, novice champion at a local event this year, and he's bumping up his game here tonight at Musclemania Philippines. Let's welcome Ferdinand Bocaro.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 6 years, now he is back on stage to compete. Get ready and hold your breath. It's showtime. It's nice to be back.
Alright, isa tayo. Saan mo naman natutunan yung ganyang routine sa pagpo-pose?
Dati akong dancer before, di pa ako bodybuilder.
Ano klaseng dancer?
Like maneuvers.
Oh, maneuvers. Sorry, kaya pala. Kaya mo mag-split, no? Hindi na ngayon. Sino ang idol natin sa bodybuilding?
Marami.
Isa lang, okay. Kahit more.
Pilipinas, Don Fortuna.
Alright, yes. O sige, maraming salamat, Ferdinand. Palakpakan natin.